The vocabulary word we are exploring now is restoration. Restoration. Imagine an old, broken painting being carefully cleaned and repaired until it looks as beautiful as it once did. That process is called restoration. The word refers to bringing something back to its original condition, whether it's art, buildings, health, or even peace. Restoration highlights healing, renewal, and the effort to return something to its best form. Meaning of restoration. Restoration means the act of returning something to its original state or condition, often through repair, renewal, or revival. Examples. The restoration of the ancient temple took several years. After a long illness, her health was finally under restoration. The museum funded the restoration of rare historical paintings. Short story. The old park fountain had stopped working decades ago, covered in moss and cracks. One day, the community decided to fund its restoration. Workers repaired the pipes, polished the stone, and restored its beauty. When the water finally flowed again, children laughed, and families gathered around to take pictures. The restoration of the fountain didn't just bring back a landmark, it brought back joy, pride, and togetherness for the town. Everyone realized how powerful restoration can be in reviving both things and spirits.